Uh, Next operator name is increment and decrement operators. What are the increment operators and decrement operators? We'll discuss. Plus plus and minus minus. Plus plus means increment operator, minus minus means decrement operator. We have two increment operators. One is pre-increment and other one is post-increment. Post-increment. What is mean by plus plus? What is mean by minus minus? Value increment by 1. Value increment by 1. What is minus minus? Value decrement by 1. Value decrement by 1. Okay, pre-increment. One example, if I write a equals to plus plus I have written. Same thing, b equals to I plus plus, here I have written. I value I am taking as 5. Then what will be the a and I values in these two cases? What is the a value here and what is the I value here? In this case also, what is b value and what is I value we'll discuss now. What is pre-increment and post-increment? See here, pre-increment in the sense first value will be incremented by 1. First value will be incremented by 1. See here, first this has higher precedence. Plus plus I has higher precedence. Next assignment will be performed. In this case, first assignment will be performed by because operator precedence. Post increment has least priority than equals to. Post increment, next increment will be performed. See here, first I value will be incremented. In this case, I is 5. Plus plus I means I value will be incremented 6. That 6 value assigned to I. The 6 value assigned to I. Now A is how much? 6. I is how much? 6. First incrementation will be performed. Next assignment will be performed. In this case, first assignment will be performed. First I value will be assigned to B. I value will be assigned to B. B is how much? 5. Next I value will be incremented. Now I is 6. But I is 6 here. Assignment will be assigned. I value 5 only will be assigned to B. That is the difference. Same thing. If you print here, printf of percentile d plus plus I. Same case, percentile d plus plus I. This is one expression. Same thing, I have written this side, printf percentile d I plus plus. What is the difference between this one and this one? Here, after incrementing we are printing. First printing or incrementing. First incrementing first, next printing. It takes priority. First increment the value, next print the value. In this case, first print the value, next increment the value. This is second priority. Now in this case what will happen? First I value will be incremented. What is I value? 6. 6 value incremented, that value will be printed. In this case what will happen? First print the I value. First print the I value. I value is 5, but I value will be incremented. I value will be incremented, that is 6. Now I value is 6, but it won't print 6, but I value is 5 only. Okay, this is the way this increment operation will be performed. Okay, I will show you one expression. See, here I have written a program like this. Integer I equals to 5. Now I want to print those values. How to print those values? See, printf of, now I am printing of plus plus I and plus plus I. Percentile d, 3 values I want to print. Plus plus I, comma, plus plus I, comma, plus plus I. Now what will be the output of this program? If I print like this, then what will be the output? See, we are printing 3 values. While printing, which value will be printed? See, according to printf rule, first percentile d takes this parameter, second percentile d take this parameter, and third percentile d take this parameter. While it printing, it prints from right to left. First this value will be printed here. What is this value? Percentile d plus plus I. First value will be incremented 5 to 6. Value will be incremented to 6. That 6 value will be printed here. This is 6. Next, second percentile d. What is second percentile d? Here it printed plus plus I. First already 6 is there, first value will be incremented 7, that 7 value will be printed. Next third percentile plus plus I. What is plus plus I? First value will be incremented 8, that value will be printed here. Now output is how much? 876. See, check the output. If I run the program, see this, 876. okay, see, 876 is the output. Okay, same thing I want to print like this, plus plus I and I plus plus. I want to print I plus plus and I want to print I plus plus. Then what will be the output now? If I print now, what will be the output? See, while printing, it will be printed first I plus plus post increment. What is mean by post increment? First value it takes 5, value take it 5 will be printed. First print the value, next increment the value, incremented to 6 now. Now 6 here second percentile I plus plus. I plus plus means post increment. What is mean by post increment? First print the value, 6 will be printed here, then increment the value here, 7. Now second percent, last third percentile I plus plus I. Plus plus I means first increment the value, then print the value here, 8. Then output is what? 865. Now we'll check the output. See this, 865 is the output. Now you understood, right, how it is printing. Okay, in this operator you have to understand two types of evaluations are there in this C language. What are the two types of evaluations? Okay, we have to understand about the evaluations also. Okay, what are the evaluation? Two types of evaluations are there. One is stack evaluation, second one is register evaluation. Stack evaluation and register evaluation. Evaluation means calculation. What is stack evaluation? If we evaluate the expression, you evaluate the expression within the printf statement. If you evaluate the expression within the printf statement, within the printf. Example, now I want to evaluate the expression like this, printf of, see, percentile d plus plus I plus 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 I. This is addition of this operation. Okay, here I want to evaluate these values, I want to print this result, then it is called stack evaluation. Register evaluation, what is mean by register evaluation? If you evaluate the expression outside of the printf statement, outside of the printf statement, then it is called register evaluation. Example, j equals to, if you assign like this something, plus plus I plus 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 I, then it is called register evaluation. What is the main difference between stack evaluation and register evaluation? If it is stack evaluation, it doesn't follow any operator precedence. It doesn't follow operator precedence. It doesn't follow operator precedence. When it is a register evaluation, it follows always operator precedence. It follows operator precedence. Follows operator precedence. Okay, in this register evaluation follows operator precedence. If it is stack evaluation, it doesn't follow operator precedence. Then how to evaluate the expression? It evaluates the expression from left to right. It evaluates the expression from left to right. Okay, if I explain one example, then you can understand what is stack and what is register. We can understand now. Example, see, I will give you one example, I equals to 5 and j value. Okay, first I will discuss about register evaluation. What is register evaluation? We can understand now. Now I will take it as j equals to plus plus I. Example, plus plus I plus plus I plus plus I. Now I want to understand, I want to print those results. Okay, I value and j value. How to print I and j? I equals to percentile d and j equals to percentile d. Print the I and j values. We need to print I and j values. Okay, then what is the result? Okay, first of all you need to understand the stack and result, otherwise you cannot tell the answer. Okay, in the most of the company interviews, they give this type of questions. What will be the output? What will be the output? We need to understand first of all what type of question it is, what type of uh, evaluation it is. Example, see, if I take this, now I will give you one example. See, if it is stack evaluation, how it takes. Example, see, if it is a register evaluation, how it takes. See, we are explaining I and j values, one memory location will be allocated for I and j. For I and j, one memory will be allocated. I value take it as 5 first. I value is how much? I value we declared as I is 5. Now I is 5 it is. Here j value you need to find out. This is I and this is j. Okay. Now if it is taking expression as like this, j equals to plus plus I and plus plus I plus 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 I plus 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 I plus plus I plus plus I plus plus I. In this register evaluation, what is the main difference? If it is a register evaluation, how it evaluates the expression. If it is a register evaluation, first give the priority. First priority is plus plus I. You know this. First priority is plus plus I. This is also first priority. It follows operator precedence. That's why give the priority. This is second priority. Addition is second priority. Here third priority is equals to. First this operation will be performed first. This operation will be performed. After that second operation will be performed higher priority. Why? Because operator precedence it follows. Third priority is assignment. It follows later. Okay, first which operation will be performed? First this value will be evaluated. First this value will be evaluated. First plus plus I value will be incremented. First this value will be evaluated. Plus plus I. Whenever plus plus I means already 5 is there. 5 value will be removed. 5 value will be removed. Incremented to 6. Incremented to 6. Then it is 6. Next this value will be evaluated. Plus plus I value incremented to 6. I value incremented to 6. Next this plus plus I will be incremented. This plus plus I will be incremented. Now 6 value modified to 7. Now I value becomes 7. Next this plus plus I will be performed. Now this plus plus I value will be incremented. Now this value is 8 now. Now what is a available A value? 8. There is no 5, there is no 6, there is no 7 in the memory location. Okay, after incrementing this, first priority is completed. Next priority it goes to addition. Now it takes I plus I plus I. Now we take it as I plus I plus I. Whatever the I value is available. What is the I value? 8 plus 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 plus 8 is 24. What is the next value? Third value is assigned to j. Now j equals to 24. Now j value become 24. I value is 8, j value is 24. We can check in the compiler series. Okay, this is called register evaluation. Register evaluation. Okay, first it gives a priority. As priority as it performs the evaluations. Okay, when it comes to the stack evaluation, example, what is stack evaluation? Same expression. If I write like this, printf of, now I want to execute %d within the printf statement, then it is called stack evaluation. Plus plus I plus 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 I plus 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 I plus plus I plus plus I plus plus. When it is comes to the stack evaluation, it doesn't follow the operator precedence. Now it follows left to right evaluation. Now plus plus I. What is plus plus I? Now it is 6 plus 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 I. Value will be incremented 7 plus and 8. 6 plus 7 plus 8. Now answer is what? See this 21. If it is register evaluation, we'll get 24. If it is stack evaluation, we'll get 21. Okay, same another expression I will write it. Same thing. If I write instead of plus plus I, if I write I plus plus or something, I plus plus, then what will be the output? If I write I plus plus, then plus to plus plus I. What is plus plus I? 6 plus. What is I plus plus? I plus plus means post, but it takes the same value 6, but but I value is 7 plus I. What is plus I? Already 7, it is takes 8. 8 plus 6 plus 6, then what is the answer? 20. Right? You understood? Okay, same expression if I write like this. Example, another example, if I write printf of, now I am writing another example, printf of, see this, slash n percentile d plus sign plus I plus I plus plus. If I write I plus plus and I plus plus, then what will be the output? If I write the same expression, see another expression, if I write like this, plus I. What is plus I? Now it is 6 plus I plus plus in the sense, first it takes the same I value 6, but value will be incremented, that is 7 plus I plus plus, it takes same I value 6 plus 7. Now 12 plus 7, it is 19. So this takes this value. Okay, this way we have to find out whether it is stack evaluation or register evaluation. Okay, if it is register evaluation, priorities you have to give. If it is stack evaluation, left to right evaluation. In this one we have one note also. What is note? Register evaluation and stack evaluation. Which one is stack evaluation? Int j goes to plus I plus I. If you write like this, whether it is stack evaluation or register evaluation. I said outside of the printf statement it is a register evaluation, but this is also outside of the printf, but it is not register evaluation. This is stack evaluation. Why? Because initialization of variable is stack evaluation. Initialization of variable is stack evaluation. That evaluation, if you here it is performing, when we are initializing, then it is called stack evaluation, right? If I write same thing, int j equals, instead of int j, if I write j equals to plus I plus I, then it is called assignment. Assignment is register evaluation. Assignment of variable is register evaluation. This is assignment. This is called initialization. Okay, when it is initialization, it evaluates that expression in the form of stack evaluation. When it is a register assignment of a variable is evaluate as register evaluation, right? Now it is a register evaluation. Okay, this is the one note you need to understand. Okay, we have two types of evaluation, stack and register. Outside of the printf is register, within the printf is, that is stack, and also initialization also stack evaluation. Okay, you have to find out first whether it is stack